90 days hair growth and length retention challenge, day 5 and day 6. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brenda. So today we're going to be focusing more on the edges. Whether you have relaxed hair or virgin hair, this video is for you. So please stick around to the end and subscribe if you're new. Turn on notification bell. Let's get this video started. The link to how I make this hair growth oil is in the description box. I'll also put it in the comment section so that you can click and watch how to make your own potent hair growth oil. Alright, in the previous video I told you all we're not going to be doing anything for day 4, and I'm going to report back to you guys for day 5. So day 5, which was yesterday, I checked my hair. It was still very moisturized, including the scalp. That's why I wasn't able to come back here for day 5. So today is day 6, so I'm going to use this hair growth oil all over my scalp and massage as usual, and I also applied it on my hair. The hair growth oil helps to strengthen your hair. Let's not forget that we use Ayurvedic herbs to make the hair growth oil. So I will advise that if you haven't checked the description box or the comment section, check it after this video to see how you can make your own potent hair growth oil, just in case you're new or just in case you have not gotten your own hair growth oil yet. So let's go back to the reason why you should pay close attention to your edges. The edges are the most fragile parts of our hair. The human hair in general is very fragile, but you see those edges, our edges are very fragile compared to the rest of our hair. And if you notice, the hairstyle I made and the one that I made for my sister and my aunt, if you notice, I did not touch the edges. Yeah, please don't be putting too much tension or over manipulating your edges. This is the reason why it keeps on breaking, or you end up even having alopecia, which will make you very frustrated, honestly. So I would advise that you shouldn't put too much tension. You shouldn't make complicated hairstyle. You shouldn't do things that will ruin your edges. So when I'm done, I twisted my hair and tucked it in so that the ends of my hair will not be rubbing all over my back, or when I'm sitting down to be rubbing on the chair. So these things can cause frizz, which leads to dryness, which leads to hair breakage. So please try and be tucking in the ends of your hair, or tucking your hair when you are done moisturizing it in the evenings before heading to bed, and wear your hair bonnet. Okay, as for my sister's hair, the last time I moisturized it was 3 days ago, and it needed to be moisturized. It was dry, it was lacking moisture. So the first thing I did was to hydrate it with the hair mist. You can also call it tea spray. Yeah, there's so many videos on my YouTube channel on how to make tea spray, potent and effective tea spray for hair growth and for strengthening your hair in order to prevent hair breakage. So please scroll through the channel. You see so many of them, whether rosemary, clove, and the list goes on. So after spraying this tea spray on her hair and scalp, remember what I always say: please go in with a moisturizer or a hair cream, hair growth butter. Just make sure you go in with something that will moisturize the hair. If you spray only tea spray on your hair and you don't back it up with any product, trust me, your hair is gonna break. All right, that's why most people, when they use clove back then, even till date, so many people still complain that clove breaks their hair. Some people that use this clove, in fact majority of people that use clove don't know how to use it. That's why clove end up breaking their hair. So, and the same goes with the other Ayurvedic herbs. You have to back them up using hair care product. Then with the hair growth oil, I had to apply it on the scalp, massage to seal in that tea spray I sprinkled on her scalp, and I also applied it all over her hair, especially the roots and the ends of her hair, because her hair was very weak towards the ends of her hair. And after that, I tucked in the hair, and that is it, guys. You see, moisturizing your hair is not that difficult. Even when you have a very busy routine, I will advise that you should work on your hair based on your routine. Okay, just create your own hair care routine, simple hair care routine based on your lifestyle, based on how active you are at work. This is the things that you should consider. Okay, guys, we have finally come to the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, please check through the channel for day 1, 2 and 3. And I also uploaded a recent video of my auntie's hair, update of her hair. And yeah, guys, just watch the video and let me know what you are thinking in the comments. See you in my next upload. Subscribe if you're new and turn on notification bell.